word which either end with 00 or 11. So how will we start it? Start with Q0 as a initial state, and Q0 to Q1 we give it addition for 0, and Q1 to Q2 we make it addition another 0, because word which either end with 00 or 11. So, and we make another addition for Q3, in which we make addition for 1, and Q4 and the addition for 1, because either it should end with 00 or 11. So here we get 00, so we will make Q2 as final state. Here we get 11, so we will make Q4 as final state, because it should either end with 00 or 11. So here we can make a loop of 0, and here we can make a loop of 1. Now we take C, rest transition. Alphabet is 0 1. So from here, from Q0 one transition for 0, one transition for 1. For Q1 one transition for 0 and one transition for 1. And for Q2 one transition for 0 and one transition for 1. From Q3 one transition for 1 and one transition for 0. For Q4 one transition for 1 and one transition for 0. So in that way, word either end in 00 and or end in 11. This is the DFA. Now move to the next word which either start with 00 or 11. So how we can make that DFA? We start with Q0 as initial state. We move to the next state Q1. We make it transition for 0, and we move to the next state Q2. We make it transition for 0. We move to the next state Q3. We make it transition for 1, and we make a transition for 1 here. So we make Q2 as a final state, because either start with 00 or with 11, and end can be anything. Alphabet is 0 1 same, so either 0 or 1, any number of time 0 or 1 can come. The initial condition is either start with 00 or start with 11. End can be anything. So we see next rest transitions. From Q0 one transition for 0, one transition for 1. For Q1 one transition for 0 and one transition for 1 if we give, then it will go to the next state, which is called the dead state. Why dead state? Because this transition doesn't come under this condition. This condition will not satisfy. That's why it will come in dead state. And one transition for Q3 for 1, and if we give any transition for 0, then it will also go to the dead state. So this is the DFA, in which word either start with 00 or 11.